D&D CE fire rating Mortise lock. CEEN12209D18251 Grade 3 certification. CE classification 3X910G3BB20. Tested to over 200,000 cycles. EN1634 260 min fire rated. EN167L 240 hour corrosion resistance. 120 N load on casting SF304 latch bolt. Proving extra security. Escape or storeroom function. Latch bolt can be operated by lever handle or key. We can offer different finishes for the door lock. The distance of lock is 72 mm. We have 3 lengths of backset for your choices. We can provide a complete range of door hardware, also provide door opening solutions suitable for wooden doors, metal doors, and fire-rated doors. Can be used in education, healthcare, hospitality, government and office facilities, etc. D&D is your one-stop partner in the door hardware industry. Contact us now.